how juicy, chunky, and gorgeous that looks? Hey y'all, it's Jayla, aka Jay Shenavy on the internet. Welcome back to my channel and make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yo, Twist Sis is back with another twist video. This time we are not doing mini twists. We are actually going to do some chunky twists, some chunky long twists. If you're interested in a shorter version of this hairstyle, I already have a video posted, so I'll go ahead and link that right here. And in that video, I did something super smart. I pre-parted my hair before I began twisting. Parting is my absolute least favorite part of doing hairstyles. I hate parting. So I'd rather just bite the bullet, get it all done now so that tomorrow I can just twist and twist and twist and twist. This is what my hair is looking like. I just plaited it up after doing my whole wash day routine. I did record that for y'all on YouTube Shorts. By the way, if you can't already tell, I'm not at home. I'm actually in LA at my cousin's house. I've been in LA for the past couple of weeks and I love it here, girl. This is not my house. I do not have my handy dandy three-way mirror. So it's gonna be real hard for me to see the back of my head, but I know some of y'all don't have a three-way mirror as well, so we just gonna figure it out. Officially pre-parted my entire head. Some twists definitely feel thicker than others, but that's not my problem right now. Let me show you what it looks like. So I'll come back to y'all when it's time for me to install my twist. So I'm back. Let me show you the hair that I will be using. I'm using the Outre Expression Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist hair. Now this hair is the color 1B and it's in the length 30 inches, okay? This hair is long. I do have 2 packs of hair, which should be plenty. I have 62 twists in my head, so I am going to finesse somewhere, but I'll have about 60 twists in my head, okay? Only other products I'll be using, Shine and Jam, of course, and that's going to be to help smooth my hair. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started in the back, and then I'll come to y'all when I've done something. Alright y'all, it's getting serious. I'm running out of hair. So I thought of something that was pretty smart. I am actually taking some of these twists out in the front. For the twists that are on my edges, I'm actually going to use less hair. I'm going to split the hair in half. And the reason I'm going to do that is because the hair on my edges around my hairline is thinner than the rest of my head anyways. I have been trying to grow like my hairline back. So I'm going to use less hair there because I don't want as much weight and tension on those twists. So I already did it on this side and you really can't tell, and I feel like it just matches the thickness of my natural hair a little better. So I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Alright y'all, let me show you exactly how to achieve these chunky twists. So I have my pre-parted section here, and the only product that I'm going to apply is going to be the Shine and Jam, and then I'm going to twist my hair so it's easier for me to grab. Next, I'm going to take the synthetic hair. I'm taking one full strand of synthetic hair and I'm not going to split this up at all. I'm going to use this one strand for my twist. I am going to run my fingers through the ends of the twist because I don't want that little like super uniform twist right there. I'm going to take my synthetic hair, make sure it's even on both sides, and now we're going to attach it to my natural hair. My natural hair is going to go right in the center, just like the third leg of the braid, and I'm literally going to start plaiting the synthetic hair into my natural hair. You are going to see me tug a little bit on my natural hair just to make sure that this twist is nice and taut. I'm going to plait down a couple of times until I feel like it's nice and secure up there. So my natural hair is in the very center. I'm going to split my natural hair in half, just like so, and begin twisting. Now, if you watch my videos, I know what you're thinking and I know what you're asking. Which direction do you twist in? This is how it looks when I twist, putting my right hand over my left hand. And I'm going to show you exactly what that twist looks like. I always tell you to twist with your right hand over your left hand because it gives a more uniform looking twist. And now let me show you what the twist will look like when I put my left hand over my right hand. Let me know which twist you prefer in the comment section below. If you can't already tell, I have been twisting my hair using the left over right method. I normally love a super uniform twist, but something about the way this looks so chunky and juicy and textured, I opted for the left over right, y'all. And I love the fact that you can get two different looks with the exact same hair. So I'm going to continue twisting until I get all the way down to the bottom. Once I start getting close to the bottom, y'all, I'm going to detangle the ends because I don't want any like knots or kinks at the very bottom of the hair, and I want to be able to continue the twist. See, I'm still twisting until I can't twist anymore. Here's the twist, y'all. Do you see how juicy, chunky, and gorgeous that looks? Can't get enough.